Cover girl.
Put that face in your walk. Get the toe. Let your whole body talk. And what?
Working. Let's try this guy right here. Well, I don't know. Come on, guys, you can do this. Is there a common factor to take out of everybody? No. So what are you gonna do?
Oh, okay, I was confused.
How do you break down x squared?
X.
Come on now. It's positive, so what do you know about your signs? What do you know about your signs? They have to be the same. In this case, they must both be negative. 32. I hear 8 times 4, so that's good. But what about the y squared? It's going to be y and y, right? So when you check this on the inside, what do you have? Negative 8xy. What's on the outside? Negative 4xy. So there's your negative 12xy. And we're happy. Right? Questions about that one?
I just thought when you did factoring by grouping, it had to be 4.
I didn't do factoring by grouping. There's no grouping going on here. This is just factoring trinomials, and we go straight to the 2 sets of parentheses for the binomial factors. Okay. When there are 4 terms, that's when you look to factor by grouping. Okay. I hope that you are okay back there.
No, I'm just not looking at my tags, I'm looking at your notes. You give a big old no.
And I wonder why I had to say that.
I didn't look at it yesterday.
Yeah, uh-huh. That's sweet. All right, now you can freak out, right? No?
Yeah.
There's no freak out here. Just do the work. How do you factor this guy? They all have an x, but there's more than that. Not just an x. They have a 5x in common, right? So understand that you don't do 2 steps at once. Just do 1 piece at a time. First step is to take out the GCF. And what do I have left after I factor that out? X squared plus 2x minus, what's 175 divided by 5? Huh? It's 35. Okay. Am I done here? No, I took out the GCF. And you know what? The GCF is a common factor. It's still part of the factorization, so it's still out there. However, this part right here is what I'm trying to factor now. It's a trinomial, so I expect it to factor as 2 binomial factors. How do you think you'd break it down? Plus 5 and minus 7. Wait a minute. I know my sign's going to be 1 positive, 1 negative, but I need a positive 2 at the end, so the positive factor must be the larger of the 2. So plus 7 minus 5. So this right here gives me the x squared plus 2x minus 35, and then when I multiply the 5x back, I get my original. Questions about that one? No? All right. Let's do one more.
So you have x squared.
Right,
and
once I
then-
take out the common factor, I don't need to worry about that with the rest of my factorization.
Oh.
I'm looking at how do I break this guy down as a normal trinomial, x plus 7, x minus 5.
Oh, okay. You don't worry about the 5.
No, you
Or the
took
x.
it out and you made it, you made the polynomial smaller, so you're just looking at the smaller piece to finish factoring that.
Oh.
Okay. Now what about this guy? Negative x squared minus 16x minus 48. What do I do first? Notice that the polynomial starts with a negative. We don't want to do that. Anytime you start with a negative and you have something in descending order like this, take out the negative along with whatever goes into everybody here, which is what? It's just 1, so negative 1. So divide by the negative 1, factor that out, and what do we have? It's just x squared plus 16x plus 48. All right, so let's finish this guy. The factor of negative 1 is still out there. X squared plus 16x plus 48 we hope will factor as two binomial factors. How do we break it down? So x and x, everything here is positive now. We use 4 and 12. 4 times 12 is 48, and 4 plus 12 is the 16. That GCF of negative 1 does not go away. It's still part of the answer. Any questions about these?